Apply primer, conceal and correct, apply foundation, add a touch of blush, define your brows, apply eyeshadow, line your eyes, apply mascara. And finish with lipstick. With these steps, you can achieve a beautiful and natural-looking makeup look for your next date. Sure, here's another 1,000-word essay on a related topic: makeup tips for a professional look. If you're looking to create a professional makeup look for work or a job interview, there are a few key tips and tricks that can help you achieve a polished and put-together appearance. In this essay, we will share some of our top makeup tips for a professional look. Keep it natural. When it comes to a professional makeup look, less is often more. Stick to natural-looking shades for your eyes, lips, and cheeks, and avoid bold or bright colors. Neutral shades, such as browns, taupe, and pinks, are a safe bet for a professional setting. Define your brows. Well-defined brows can help frame your face and enhance your natural features. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas, and brush them upward and outward for a natural-looking finish. Avoid overfilling or over-defining your brows, as this can appear harsh. Conceal and correct. If you have any blemishes or under-eye circles, use a concealer that matches your skin tone to cover them up. Use a peach tone corrector to neutralize any dark circles or discoloration under the eyes. Blend well for a natural-looking finish. Apply foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. Apply it with a brush or sponge, starting in the center of your face and blending outward. Build up coverage in areas that need it, and blend well to create a natural-looking finish. Avoid using too much foundation, as this can appear heavy and unnatural. Add a touch of blush. Blush can help add a pop of color to your cheeks and give you a healthy, youthful glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone, and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward and outward. Stick to a natural-looking shade, and avoid using too much product. Define your eyes. Eyeliner and mascara can help define your eyes and make them appear larger and more expressive. Use a black or brown eyeliner to line your upper lash line, and a white or nude liner to line your waterline. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes, using a lengthening or volumizing formula for a natural-looking finish. Finish with lipstick. Choose a lipstick shade that complements your skin tone and the occasion. For a professional look, stick to natural-looking shades, such as pinks, nudes, and mauves. Apply the lipstick with a brush or directly from the tube, and blot with a tissue to remove any excess. Set your makeup. To ensure that your makeup stays in place throughout the day, use a setting spray or powder. This will help lock in your makeup and prevent it from smudging or fading. Choose a setting spray or powder that is suitable for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. In conclusion, a professional makeup look should be natural-looking and polished.